Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe. Hope you guys are having a fun-filled day. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my juicer. I just got a juicer on Amazon and I want to test this juicer. I've been trying for a long time to get a very good, durable and strong juicer. So let's see how this juicer performs. So right now I'm unboxing the juicer. So I'm opening the box and I'm so excited to see what we have inside the box. But I noticed that it was packed without the branded box. It was packed with just the Amazon box. I don't know why. I thought it was going to come straight from the manufacturer, but it doesn't seem like it's straight from the manufacturer. But let's see how this juicer works. For the longest time I've been doing a lot of research about juicing vegetables and fruits, and I decided that I need to jump on this to start drinking my vegetables, because I've not been eating lots of vegetables. From eating vegetables, so I just eat mostly protein. All of that, and I've not been eating my vegetables, so I want to incorporate my vegetables and fruits through juicing. So right now I took the juicer to the kitchen and I'm trying to assemble it. So I'm just trying to figure out where each item is to be placed. So I don't know the names of these items, but you can just see it. So this shouldn't be, no, it's not for, I don't think it's okay. I think it is. So I'm just trying to figure it out. So I think it's for it. I think it's clicked now. I'm just trying to click it into the points. No, not yet. So I think I would have to put it facing upwards. Yes, it's clicked now, and that is done. So that is done. And I think, yes, this screw point. So just trying to put this screw inside. So this is the grinder, and from my research I realized that this grinder is very good. It doesn't affect the vegetable or fruits. It makes sure the fruits, you could press the fruits in a very healthy way, unlike when you use a blender. The blender destroys the nutrients in the vegetable or fruit. So that one is clicked already. This juicer was very easy to assemble, and I'm so happy that I did not have to waste time assembling it. So you can see that I'm done assembling it. So it came with two measuring cups, one for the juice and the other one for the fiber. The fiber. So for this recipe I'm going to be using carrots, oranges, you'll see the oranges in a minute, and apple. I will not be using the celery as I showed you there. So right now I cut the carrots into tiny bits and I put the carrots inside the juicer, and I'm using this presser to press the carrots inside. So you can see now the juice is coming out, and you can see the fiber is also coming out at the other end. This juicer was very easy to use and also very easy to assemble, but I had a little con for this juicer. For me, I feel this juicer, as easy as it looks and as it juices, I feel it's very flimsy. I noticed a little carrot chunks inside the drinks, and I also noticed it brought out a lot of foam, which I did not like. So for this reason, I would have to return this juicer because I don't think it's going to serve the purpose that I want it to serve, and it doesn't look like it's going to last me a long time because I want to be juicing for a very long time. So I would be returning this juicer and getting another one. I've gone on Amazon to look for a very good one, and I think I found one, but that one is a little pricey, but I would have to get it. For me, this one is very flimsy. I don't think it's going to last me for a long time. So right now I'm adding more carrots, and I also noticed that there was still juice in the fiber. You can notice when I touched it, it still had juice. I had to pull it back and continue juicing, and I noticed that when I pull it back, it kind of blocked the whole of the juicer. So I just was not happy about it because I still felt like there was still juice in the fiber. So for me, it wasn't exactly what I wanted. So this is the point where I was cutting my oranges and I was removing the back of the orange so I could put the orange inside. And when I juiced the orange, I think the orange brought a lot of foam, which I did not like. And yeah, so I'm cutting the orange now and removing the back, and I will put that in the juicer. Oh yeah, so for this recipe I used 2 oranges. Yeah, so now I'm juicing the orange. I'm adding more oranges, so you can see juicing the orange. Behind the scene I also added apples, and yeah, so this is just my first time juicing, so I just wanted to see how all of these fruits would come out. So I just added a little ice. You don't need to add ice, and I poured. You can still see some chunks in the juice. So boy, it tasted okay, it tasted good. But for these reasons which I've listed above, I would not be going ahead using this juicer. I would have to return it and get a better juicer. But guys, if you guys have not started juicing and enjoying the benefits of juicing, please go and get a juicer and get in all the necessary amount of vegetables and fruits in your diet and in your body, and your body will thank you for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, bye.